So we got 6.57 times 20.9. Okay. Do the decimals have to be lined up for multiplication? No, definitely not, and that's the beauty of it. So I'm going to show you how to tackle this. First, you just treat it like any other multiplication problem. So we're going to do step by step. First, we're going to multiply the 9 by everything, then the 0 by everything, and then the 2 by everything. So let's start here. 9 times 7 is 63. Carry the 6. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 6 is 51. Carry the 5. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 5 is 59. Now we go down here, we come across the 0. We start with the 0, but then 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times all these is just 0, 0. So this row is kind of unnecessary, but we'll just put it in for good form. And then to get to this guy, right? Well, there's 2 places that we're moving over, so we add 2 zeros, and now we continue the multiplication. Let's get rid of this too. 2 times 7 is 14, carry a 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, carry a 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And now we add them all up. We've got 3, 1, 9 plus 4 is 13, carry a 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 3, and 1. And we've got 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal point. So this is the really important part. If we want to figure out where do we put the decimal, we count the number of digits to the right of the decimal in this multiplication problem. We got 1, 2, 3. Therefore, we move the decimal 1, 2, 3. And our final answer is 137.313. I always do a quick gut check. Does that make sense? It's about 20 times 6, which is 120. This seems roughly right to me. Let's give it a shot. All right, cool. Let's do one more. 6.09 times 9.56. Okay, let's go. 6 times 9 is 54. Carry the 5. 6 times 0 is 0, plus 5 is 5. 6 times 6 is 36. Oops. 36. Next line here, we go 1 to the right, to the left, therefore we add a 0. 5 times 9 is 45. Let's cross this out. Carry the 4. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 5 times 6 is 30. Now we're going to the 9. 1, 2. So we got 1, 2 zeros. 9 times 9 is 81. Carry the 8. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 8 is 8. And then 9 times 6 is 54. Now let's add these guys up. 4. You see how important it is to keep everything nice and organized to make sure we don't make any mix-ups. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 1, 7, 11, 12. Carry the 1. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. And then 5. How many decimals do we have? 1. We have 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digits to the right of these decimals. Therefore, we're going to move it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Final answer is 58.2204. Nice. All right. Last one. 0.74 times 45.6. Do I want it? Is it important that I include that 0? It really isn't. In fact, I think it's pointless to do that because then you feel tempted to multiply through. You're going to get all zeros. It's to the left of the decimal place, so it makes no difference, has no bearing on where you place the decimal. I wouldn't even include it. So let's start here. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22. Carry the 2. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18. Now we start with 1 digit over, so we add a 0. 7 times 6 is 42. Oops. Carry the 4. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 4 is 39. Carry the 3. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 3 is 31. Now we add them all up. 4. 8 plus 9 is 17. Plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3. And how many digits do we have to the right of the decimal? 1, 2, 3. So we move the decimal once, twice, 3 times. And there's our answer, 33.744.